Insulated bags help maintain the temperature of your orders. With an insulated bag, you can get increased priority on orders and reduce service fees. Actual conditions may vary. Contact your service partner for details. How to enable the insulated bag option. Step 1. Get an insulated bag from your service partner. Step 2. Go to the Service Class Options section in your profile and switch on the Insulated Delivery Bag option. Step 3. Complete the photo check. Important. You'll need to complete regular photo checks to deliver orders with an insulated bag. The app will notify you when it's time for your next photo check. That's it. If you already have an insulated bag, make sure to enable the option in the app and complete the photo check. If not, reach out to your service partner for more information on how to get one. Good luck on your deliveries.